Hey everybody, let me talk in this video about control loops. So loops could be controlled by two commands, break and continue, and that's what we'll discuss it here. So let me open a new file and try to understand what we mean by control loops. Okay, so think about you have Word, okay, and this word should be Python or maybe Python, whatever. You want to print all the character in this word. What you will do for letter in Word and you say print letter, is that right? In this way, if you just click run, you will be able to run p because letter in Word, he will print p y t h o n, which is totally okay. Think about you want when he reach t, he will break, he will not continue. So you say if the letter equal single quotation t break, stop. That's mean when I add a breakpoint here, and also let me just go to the end so you will understand what we are doing here. I will say print app is done. I've done something just allow you to follow what I'm doing. So debug, if you see here, he reach, he be the word. First he take p, is p equal t? No, he will continue. Is y equal t? He will continue. Is t, he get it, is t equal t? Yes, he will break. That means he break the loop. He will not continue reading other character. He break the loop. When we see word break, that means he will not continue inside the loop. He will go outside this loop. So because this loop, if you see it for loop, and it will start from here, this loop, so he will break it. So he will go to the next line. They start from same place, which is a print. He start from this place. Then he will print it. Yes, this is how to work with break. But there's another command. Name it continue. So think about it. Now I have words. When I print it, he print Python for me. But I want only do not print t. So I have say if the letter equal t continue. So continue mean anything after me don't do it and continue to my loop. Let me debug it and show you. So if you see when it's here I am, he just get here the word. First t is p equal t, no, he will print it. If you see it here is the printed. Now he go to the second one. Is y equal t? No, he will print it. Now is t equal t? Yes, he will go to the continue. When you see word continue, that means he will not complete any line of code after continue. He will go to the loop. See, he went to the loop and he took the second character, which is h, then o, then n, then done. So the idea between break and continue: break when you want to break the loop, you no longer interesting to continue the loop, just stop it. For example, searching for a specific number, when you find it, you stop your work. You do, in that case, you do break. So think about it. You have a list of element that you suppose you have list, and you have a list have this number 1, 40, whatever, 45, 63, all these numbers, and you are searching for 40, like 55. So what you will do, you will say for item in the list, and you say if I'm searching, if item equal, hopefully item correct, item equal let me suppose you are searching for 45, so not 45, let's suppose you are searching for 55, you say print number is found. Then after that you do break. So what's the idea behind the break? When he reach 55 and he find it, you are no longer interested to continue searching because you already find it. If you continue searching, it will cost you time. So you don't want to continue, just say break. So now if I just run it again, you see after he find the number, he have to break. See, number is found, then he break. So this is the idea from like break. Why you the benefit from break? When you, for example, here we are searching. He first look first number, second, third. When he get the number, he found it. He break and went outside the loop, and we done. So I'm sure each app is done should be in the end. So just for you to keep it for you and refresh in the GitHub. Yes, here we done, and thank you for watching.